Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's video, we will be discussing 5 effective home remedies for dry cough. Dry cough can be quite annoying and uncomfortable, but these remedies can help alleviate the symptoms. So, let's get started. The first remedy is honey and lemon. Honey has antibacterial properties that can help soothe a sore throat, and lemon is rich in vitamin C, which can help boost the immune system. To make this remedy, mix 1 tablespoon of honey with the juice of half a lemon in a glass of warm water. Drink this mixture 2 to 3 times a day for best results. The second remedy is ginger tea. Ginger has anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce inflammation in the throat and lungs. To make ginger tea, boil a few slices of ginger in water for 10 to 15 minutes. Add honey to taste and drink this tea 2 to 3 times a day. The third remedy is turmeric milk. Turmeric has antiviral, antibacterial, and anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce coughing and soothe a sore throat. To make turmeric milk, heat a cup of milk in a pan and add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Add honey to taste and drink this mixture before bedtime. The fourth remedy is steam inhalation. Inhaling steam can help loosen mucus in the airways and reduce coughing. To do this, boil water in a large bowl and lean over it, covering your head with a towel. Breathe in the steam for 10 to 15 minutes, being careful not to burn yourself. The fifth and final remedy is staying hydrated. Drinking plenty of water can help keep the throat moist and reduce coughing. It is recommended to drink at least 8 to 10 glasses of water a day and avoid drinks that can dehydrate you, such as alcohol and caffeine. And there you have it, 5 effective home remedies for dry cough. Remember to consult with your doctor if your cough persists or worsens. Thank you for watching this video. We hope you found the information helpful. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks.